Have you ever wondered about the intricate process behind turning a design concept into a fully functional online store? Who are the wizards behind the screen, weaving their magic to transform PSD file into dynamic Bigcommerce websites? What skills and expertise does it take to bridge the gap between a static design mockup and a fully operational e-commerce platform? And who exactly are the masterminds responsible for this digital alchemy? Join us as we unravel the mystery behind PSD to Bigcommerce developers, the creative geniuses powering the future of online retail. But first, let us understand who is a PSD to Bigcommerce developer. A PSD to Bigcommerce developer is a skilled professional who specializes in converting Photoshop design files, that is PSD, into fully functional e-commerce websites using the Bigcommerce platform. They possess expertise in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the intricacies of the Bigcommerce framework. These developers are not only proficient in coding but also adept at solving and innovation, ensuring seamless user experiences and optimized functionality for online stores. In fact, they are the architects of the digital marketplace, turning design concepts into dynamic realities on the web. Moving further, let's find out what exactly are the duties handled by PSD to Bigcommerce developers. Firstly, they meticulously analyze PSD design files, breaking them down into components and understanding the client's requirements and objectives for the online store. Next, they translate these design elements into clean semantic HTML/CSS code, ensuring pixel perfect accuracy and responsiveness across various devices and screen sizes. Additionally, PSD to Bigcommerce developers integrate the coded design into the Bigcommerce platform, leveraging the platform's features and functionalities to enhance the user experience and streamline the online shopping process. They also optimize the website for performance and search engine visibility, implementing SEO's best practices and optimizing page load times for an improved user experience and higher search ranking. And finally, they provide ongoing support and maintenance, troubleshooting issues, implementing updates, and ensuring the website remains secure and up to date in a constantly evolving digital landscape. Now, let's talk about the cost of hiring a PSD to Bigcommerce developer. The pricing for PSD to Bigcommerce development can vary depending on factors such as the complexity of the design, the scope of the project, and the experience level of the developer or development team. Simple conversions may start at a few $100s, while more complex projects with custom features and extensive customization can range into the thousands. Some developers may charge hourly rates, while others may offer fixed price packages for specific services. It's essential to discuss your project requirements in detail with potential developers to get accurate quotes and ensure transparency in pricing. Always remember, investing in experienced and skilled developers can lead to a high quality, well-performing website that drives business growth and success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Now, you might be wondering, how can Softtrix team of PSD to Bigcommerce developers assist you in achieving your e-commerce goals? Softtrix PSD to Bigcommerce developers brings years of experience and expertise to the table. With a deep understanding of both design principles and technical intricacies, our developers ensure that your vision is translated seamlessly into a stunning, fully functional online store. Whether you need a simple storefront or a very complex e-commerce solution with custom features, our team has the skills and creativity to deliver results that exceed your expectations. expectations. With a focus on collaboration, communication, and customer satisfaction, Softtrix PSD to Bigcommerce developers work closely with you from initial concept to final launch and much beyond. So, ready to elevate your online presence and drive business growth with a stunning Bigcommerce website? Contact Softtrix today and let our team of expert developers bring your vision to life in the digital world. That's all for today. If you found the session helpful, please do like, share, and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.